Hello, I'm Gina. Today I gotta make roasted pepper with the mozzarella. See? I have everything here. I have extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, salt, basilic, oregano, and garlic. And this is mozzarella and bread. And that's the paper. Everything is here, okay? Now, everything I have prepared, and we start. That's just I make this already, I have the other one, they go over there, I cut. So you can do like this. You take it off in the bottom of this one like this. And this is still good. You can cook different ways, put all that. And then you go that way. You open it up. You can make this, you take it off. You can make a two-piece like this. I like the small one. And you have to take it off for this stuff. See? And nice and clean. And then you put all that. This is clean, and you put over here. You make two pieces like this. You clean up. See? It's a beautiful paper. Wow, big paper. See? Everything is clean, okay? And then you make a two-piece, and you put over there. Now I want to fix a little bit. That's a lot of room here, a lot of room here. This again, I put another one here. Let me fix. Okay. All right. Now we put in the broccoli, okay? Now we put in the oven. And then, that's you have to use the broccoli. But you gotta look, when they got black on the skin, then they're done. I have to look at the oven. I don't know how much they take, okay? All right, I think it's 50 minutes. I want to see what they look like, okay? Let me see. Oh, wow, that's okay, they're okay. You see, they're brown, look. Now, we got to take it off. And we got to put over there. Okay. This is the brown. All right. Now we got to steam a little bit. We got to put over here. They got to steam a little bit. Okay, put it here. They're nice and hot. They're nice and hot. We can touch. And now I put it here. I put this. They steam a little bit. I post they cool. I work with my hands. All right. Okay, let us stay a little bit. And this is done. Okay, it's 10 minutes now. Let me see. I think it's all right. Okay, they look okay. See? Now we gotta take the skin off. And we gotta clean up. We gotta prepare. See, you have to take See, they already, they little cool down, and the skin nice come off. See how nice? So, everything is, now I do that way, I make, you start, see? You can make it like this, you can make it like this, and you put here. And then we got a fake, so. Okay? Good. They go over there. Let me see. Yeah, nice. Nice. Just perfetto. Look how nice they come off. Okay. See? Nice and clean. See? Now we make it like this, same thing like the other one. See? Make it like this. And you put here. When I'm done, then when I finish, then we gotta fix. All right, I finished now the peeled paper. Look, that's what they look like. Nice and clean, you see? And now I gotta put the taste. I gotta put a little salt, like this, little salt. Little black pepper. Little oregano, or this little oregano like this. E extra virgin olive oil, we can use this one. We put over there. And they're delicious. The pepper, they're delicious. Yeah, nice. All right. I put out a little bit of everything, just a little bit like this. And black pepper too. E olio. You gotta make a taste. Okay? And now this is done, the paper is done. And now we gotta prepare the bread. Now this is the bread, see? That's the bread. Now I gotta put a little olio. I have to put a little olio all over. It's okay. You gotta put a both side. You on the side, you put a both sides like this. All right. There. And now we hold it. You can put on this side. Okay, olio is good, olio is good. All right? And that's the bread. Now we put it for toast, and then we finish later. We put it in the oven. They got toast. All right? All right. One side is done now, look. This is done. But I have to turn. I turn, I want to do on the other side. Okay? I want to do on the other side. Okay. Nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. All right. Now we put it back and then do on the other side. Okay. Okay, let me see. All right, it's already, okay? Let me see. This is it, see? Nice color. I put over here. Close this. And now when it's warm, right away, you have to put a little garlic, you know? You put the bread, you put like this, you just do like this a little bit. Just do like this. Little taste of the thing, see? Somebody like the garlic, they put. Somebody they don't like it, they not put. I know I have some friends that they don't like the garlic. She can eat this. They're still warm. This hot. Okay. That's a nice crunch. Oh, okay. See? All right, I finish. All right, almost finished, see? Now, the way it's supposed to be, look at this. Almost finished. You gotta put the paper like this. Almost finished. Okay. Okay. And now we put the mozzarella. I put the mozzarella like this. This. Okay. Ah, it's done. Now, but let me clean a little bit my hands and look here. What I'm gonna do, I want to put a little black pepper, not too much, a little bit. Okay, that's it. Now we put in the oven. This is more important to watch the mozzarella. When you oven you gotta take care. Okay. All right. We gotta stay close and watch the mozzarella. I want to see. Hey, almost, almost, almost. Okay, it's ready. Come on. Come on, Nick, it's ready. Look. I gotta put out. You see? That's it. All right. That they look alike, see? Now what I'm doing, now I put gotta put this, I gotta put a little oil I gotta put on the top. Not much, just a little bit, like this, okay? And I have a little basilic I'll put on the top, like this. And finish, all right? This is it. Smells so good. Okay? That's finished, it's done. Hey, all right, see? It's finished. This they look like nice dish. It's a nice dish. Like antipasto, when you want something to eat before you make a dish like this. Everybody pick one. That's so good. So I have a leftover here, this one. This is good for sandwich. You pick it up, you're hungry, you pick it up, the bread, and put it in the sandwich and you eat. They're so good, anyway. I want to say thank you for watching me. God bless everybody, God bless everybody. I hope you make this. This is very good, okay? Bye, I love you, bye.